So the discovery that exercise causes a proliferation of this brain-derived neurotropic factor, or BDNF, throughout the brain was a major discovery. We know that levels of BDNF are much higher in individuals who exercise. Now, BDNF acts on certain neurons, helping to support the survival of existing neurons and encourage the growth and differentiation of new neurons and synapses. So after exercise, our brains are primed for neurogenesis, or new cell growth, and the establishment of new connections. So by producing extra amounts of BDNF and improving blood flow, exercise readies our nerve cells to bind more easily and stronger. Now, exercise does this better than any other factor that we're aware of at this present time. Exercise increases BDNF in the brain.